That is beautiful. You guys are right. I had to come to Lake Toba. I had to come to Lake Toba, and I'm glad I did. I'm super sunburned. Look how red my hand is, my thighs. Woo! If you're gonna be on a bike all day, wear sunscreen. So last night when I got to Toba, I was looking around at things I could check out, and it just so happens that here at Lake Toba, they have President Sukarno, the first president of Indonesia. They have his exiled home that he stayed at for 2 months in 1949. So of course I had to come check that out. Doesn't look like it's open. But it's interesting looking into why Sukarno was sent here, especially the dates, you know. He was sent here in 1949. That's 4 years after he declared independence, after Japan surrendered, and nobody was here in Indonesia at that time. 1945, August 17th, Sukarno declares independence. There's a brutal 4-year independence war that takes place after that. Tens of thousands of Indonesians die. And in 1949, the Dutch looked like, or they felt like, they were in control. They had captured all the political leaders like Sukarno and Hatta. A lot of them were in jail. I guess they sent Sukarno to this nice place. They're like, hey, we'll just, you know, calm it down a little bit. We'll give you a nice lakeside villa. Just chill out. But all jokes aside, I think the Dutch, they felt like they were in control. They had the capital of the Republic of Indonesia. They had Yogyakarta taken under control. They had all the political prisoners. But outside of that, they didn't have control. And so they continued to wage war. The Pemuda, the freedom fighters here in Indonesia, they weren't gonna go down without a fight. And as long as the Dutch were here, they were going to continue to fight. They were going to continue to destroy plantations and all the infrastructure and just make it miserable for the Dutch to be here. And so eventually, with enough pressure from the UN, the United States, the Dutch gave independence, full sovereignty to Indonesia. Yeah, the US, they were giving the Dutch money during these 4 years through the Marshall Plan after World War II. The United States was giving money to the Dutch to help rebuild the country, you know, after their invasion and their takeover by the Nazis. And so, but that money was being spent to fund the war, and so the U.S. was in a very awkward situation. Did they want to continue to give money to the Dutch while they use that money on a colonial war? Yeah. Let's see if this place is open. Bisa masuk? No?
Lagi renovasi.
Oh, renovation. Yes. Oh no. It's under renovation.
Yes.
So tidak bisa masuk, ya?
Iya, sorry.
Oh no, came all the way from America. Oh.
Lagi renovasi, Bu.
Come on now.
Boleh, Bu. Di depan aja.
Bisa masuk di situ.
Nah, dari sini aja, Bu.
Bagus tuh dapat rumah ini.
Dari sini aja, Bu.
Bung Karno rumah. Bung Karno rumah atas.
Rumah istirahat.
Bung Karno, yeah.
Peristirahatan.
First president.
The first president, he is exiled here during the war, right? Okay. They opened the gate. Maybe we can come check out the garden. But maybe we can't go inside. I mean, what a view. This is indah.
Indah, iya.
Indah.
Makanya dia di sini istirahat, dia healing.
Yeah. Yep, sure enough, there's stacks of wood in there. Nothing in there besides wood and a few yellow bottles of, I don't know, maybe glue or something. Yep. It is definitely under renovation. Renovation. Also, maybe Sukarno sat over here. Maybe. Let's just go see real quick. Got a view Sukarno had. The first president of Indonesia. Maybe he sat in this chair right here. Had himself some kopi nu. I mean, look at this view. Look at this. Wow. But apparently he only stayed here 2 months. And so eventually the Dutch realized they couldn't control and they couldn't reclaim Indonesia. There was only 2,000 or so troops in Yogyakarta, and outside of that, they just didn't have control. And like I said, the freedom fighters of Bermuda, they were going to continue to make life a living hell for them, and they were going to burn and tear down plantations and warehouses and anything that the Dutch could use, they were going to destroy. And so eventually the Dutch realized they didn't have the money and the manpower to control it. And so that, plus the pressure from the UN and the US and the rest of the world saying, hey, we're in a post-colonial era, you know, you need to give it up. You need to give it up. And so they signed a peace treaty. Indonesia had to pay something like 4.3 million guilders to the Dutch, and yeah, Indonesia was an independent sovereign nation from then on. Okay, today we are gonna take a ferry, and the plan is to go over there. We're gonna go check out that island. We're gonna probably hop on a boat just like that, a little ferry, and go check out that island, go stay over there for one night, and hopefully see some cool things. Let's head that way. I'm not really sure, but I think this is where I need to be. I'm gonna figure out how to get a ticket and go on over to the island. Hello.
Hello.
Is this the place for a ticket for the tuk-tuk, the ferry?
Ticket ferry?
Yeah.
Tuk-tuk? This one.
Oh, so I need to go out and around?
No.
I'm on the scooter.
Yes.
Yeah. This way? Okay. So.
Scooter.
Oh,
By scooter.
my scooter?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let me go and jump on the scooter. Okay, right here.
Ticket.
One ticket, please.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Nick.
Nick.
Yes.
N-E.
Take up.
Nick. N-E-C-K. Nick. Nick. Where do you come from?
America.
America.
USA.
America. Umur age.
I know your age.
Tiga tujuh.
And Indonesian in very good.
Sedang belajar.
Oh, sedang belajar.
Sedang belajar.
Di ruangan bawah ini ada.
My motorcycle.
Timon saya.
Teman saya.
Ah,
Dari
my-
tuk.
From Medan.
From Medan.
Medan.
Yeah. What is it?
40,000.
40,000. All right.
40,000 rupiah.
My dollar no.
No dollar.
No dollar. Nihil dollar,
No.
nihil.
$40,000. I'll be a rich man.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Indonesian.
Indonesia, Malaysia, that's right.
Oh, Indonesian. Polandia.
No, no. Indonesian ini.
Terbalik.
Salah jahit ya. Arah aja saya roda 2.
This one? Alright.
Let's go. My black is black. Name is black.
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 Over there.
Mr. Black, thank you.
Park your car and your bike.
Okay. All right, that was pretty easy. Hopefully I don't have to wait too long, but should be on our way soon. Look at how nice these souvenir shops are over here. I must say, they put a lot of money into this city, and you can tell. The sidewalks are clean, the streets are clean. You know, there's a clear distinction between the street and the sidewalk. I got to give this place its props. They're doing things right here. But I got about 50 minutes until my ferry. I'm sure they have one like every hour, so got to burn some time. Let's go for a walk. All right, let's count how many toilet signs there are just right here. We've got 1, 2, 3. Behind here, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 toilet signs right here saying, hey, everybody, you can come piss over here. Is it that necessary? I mean, this one has 2 right next to each other. Toilet, toilet, toilet. 3 right there. Please, somebody, come use our toilets. Let's go over here and say hello. Hello. Kenapa banyak toilet?
Iya.
Toilet.
Toiletnya lagi rusak.
Okay.
Jadi siapa yang mau ke toilet bayarlah 2000 orang itu.
Toilet. But here, rumah ini, no toilet ya.
Ini tidak.
No.
Sini dulu sini.
Okay.
Ini rumah makan. Apa?
Roti?
Roti.
Saya mau makan. It's okay?
Itu ada ikan.
What do you have? Chocolate. Butter.
Coklat.
Pisang chocolate, my favorite.
Pisang coklat.
I like pisang chocolate.
Iya. Ikan bakar.
Ikan
Bakar.
Oh yeah.
Panggang babi.
Ini saja, okay. Okay.
Mau minum?
Let's see. Es jeruk ada? Or juice. Ini juice?
Jus jambu.
Jus jambu.
Jus jambu
Jambu.
Banyak botol.
Jambu apa?
Jambu merah.
Okay, I'll try. Okay, 1 juice jambu. I don't think I've ever had that. I gotta sit over here though, so you can see me.
Inggris, Prancis.
America.
Amerika.
Orang America. Yes. I gotta sit this way. I've learned my lesson. If I sit there, you won't be able to see anything.
Right.
Rumah saja tinggal di sini?
Yes.
Tinggal di sini? Ya.
Udah nikah. Udah kawin.
Berapa orang? 5? 5 people live here?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, bisa bicara bahasa Inggris? A little bit? Do you study English? No? Are you in school?
Cipana ini
Yeah, what grade?
Cipana.
High school?
I don't.
How old are you?
I don't speak English.
You don't speak English. Berapa umurmu?
17.
17. So high school? High school. Okay.
Fresh graduate.
Oh, graduated? Finished? Okay. Bahasa Batak? Ada?
Kami Batak.
Batak, yeah.
Yeah,
Orang
Batak.
Batak. Okay. I forgot to mention that in my videos, but this area is known for
Mauli.
Orang Batak. Batak people.
MAULIATE. Thank you.
One more time.
Bahasa Batak MAULIATE.
Dua ate.
MAULIATE.
MAULIATE.
Ya.
MAULIATE.
Ya.
MAULIATE.
Ya.
How do you say my name is Nick?
Ise Goarhu.
Ise
Goarhu.
Guarhu.
Iya.
Ise Guarhu Nick.
Ya.
Ise Guarhu Nick.
Ya.
Wow, that's completely different. Very different.
Apa? Siandia. Dari mana?
Dari mana? Siandia.
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 Halo, Siandia.
Halo.
Dari mana?
Hello. 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 Bahasa Batak. Hello. Hello.
Siandia.
Siandia.
From her. From her.
Oh.
Siandia.
Okay. Siandia.
From her.
Mm.
Horas.
Horas.
Selamat datang.
So it's completely different. Wow.
Kalau
Completely
bahasa
different language.
Bataknya apa? You.
It's not just a different dialect or accent, it's completely different. So, orang semua bisa bicara bahasa Batak di
Yes.
sini ya?
Ya, ini Batak. Ya.
Wow.
Mana?
Where are you going? Tuk tuk.
Tuk tuk.
Oh.
Ya, ya.
Bilang bahasa Batak.
Sama siapa dia?
Apa? Wan.
Mm.
Sada.
Sada. Okay, let's do it.
Ah.
Sada.
Dua.
Dua.
Tolu.
Turu.
Opat.
Opat.
Lima.
Lima. Okay.
Ya. Onom.
Onom.
Pitu.
Pitu.
Walu.
Walu.
Sia.
Sia.
10.
Sapulu.
Yeah.
Okay, so some of the numbers are similar, like lima. Bahasa English or bahasa Indonesia lima. Bahasa
Lima.
Batak lima.
5.
Sama
Yeah.
ya? And
Dua.
Dua.
Bahasa Batak
Yeah,
Indonesia
yeah,
dua.
yeah. So there are similarities. Okay.
Ah.
Interesting. Menarik.
Bahasa
Oh, jamu. I've had this before. Is this passion fruit?
baju video.
I've had this before.
Ya, baju tiap pamili bada saya lihat ikutin ang
Terima kasih. Now,
Ah.
that looks delicious.
Berarti YouTuber dia.
Ooh, this looks awesome. Exactly what I need in the morning.
Ambo juice.
Ano tak sa pamilya natin ikutin.
Guava juice.
Guava juice.
Yes.
Guava
Juice
juice.
jamu
Yes,
merah.
I've had this many times.
Guava juice. Guava juice.
Ah, iya, Bang.
Delicious.
It's very good.
It's very good.
It's delicious.
Udah berapa umur?
30.
30.
7.
Umur
37.
37.
Bawalah aku ke Amerika. Hah? Aku suka kamu.
Ya, you
Ya.
dengan saya?
Ya.
Ikut dengan saya?
Oh yeah, take me to
Ya, ikut dengan saya. Semua.
Semua.
MAULIATE.
Iya.
MAULIATE.
MAULIATE. Datang lagi. Thank you. See you. All right. Wonderful people here at Ulinai, Rumah Khas Batak. All right. I think I got like 25 minutes. The ferry just pulled up, and these are all the cars unloading right here. I think people are about to start loading up. Yep, okay, it's time to go. Okay. All right. Perfect time.